Hello and welcome back. Welcome to the M Code. Today let's solve our first array question 2 sum in the playlist. So basically in this question we have given an array integer nums and we have to find a target value and we have to return the particular index that's are going to add up to particular target value. And if you take the example 1, here we have 2, 7, 11 and 15 and the target is 9. So at the particular 0 index and the 1 index, like we have 2 and 7, that's are going to be added up to the target value. So 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. So basically we are returning the particular index which is 0 and 1. So if we take the second example, we have 3, 2 and 4 and we have a target value of 6. So if we like add up 2 and plus 4, so we are going to get the 6. So we are returning the particular index which is 1 and 2. Okay, now let's move to the approach part. So basically we are using two loops. That's a brute force approach. At the 0th index we are taking I and the zth index we are taking 1. So j is always going to start with the I plus 1. So it's always j is going to start with I plus 1. So basically we are taking, like, if we take nums at I, so let me write it. If we take nums at I and if we sum with nums at j, if it is going to be equal to the target, and then we are going to return the particular index I and j. Okay, now let's compare it. Does 11 plus 2 is equal to target? No, it's not. So let's move the j. Does 11 plus 15 is equal to target? No, it's not. So let's move the j. Does 11 plus 7? No, it's not. So j move at the end of the array. Now move the I, and j is always going to start with I plus 1. So let's move the j I plus 1. So does 2 plus 15 is equal to target? No, it's not. Does 2 plus 7 is equal to target? Yeah, it is. So if we like 2 plus 7 is equal to target, so we are going to return the particular index which is 1 and 3. So that's the whole approach we are going to use in the coding. So it's very easy. Okay, now let's move to the coding part. So let it iterate over the array for I in range, like len of, if we take like len of nums, and we are like len of nums. Okay, so for j in range, j is always going to start with I plus 1. So I plus 1 comma len of nums. So if we have only one condition, if the nums at I plus nums at j does it equal to target, then we have to return the particular index. So return I comma j, and there is no need to return because we always are going to get the solution because it is already written over here in this question. We have exact one solution, so there is no need to return other things. So let me run it. So it's like its test case has been passed. Let me submit it. Yeah, it's submitted. So it's a brute force approach, so it's taking a lot of time. So in the next video I will tell you how to optimize this using HashMap. Well, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and hit the like button and subscribe it. Goodbye.